And who provides all the pleasure to Krishna? Srimati Radharani. And how this pleasure is generated? Is generated due to the loving exchange. Pleasure and love, are they interrelated? Joy and love. When two persons fall in love with each other, what becomes the source of their joy? When they're together, aren't they happy? So this love is the source of joy. So this is, Krishna derives his joy from his loving exchange. And Srimati Radharani is the greatest source of Krishna's enjoyment. And this enjoyment is derived through not just with one person. There's a huge arrangement. And that arrangement is Radharani's expansion. Radharani expands into all the gopis in Vrindavan. Then as Krishna expands, Radharani expands. Krishna becomes Vasudev in Dwarka. Who is Radharani then? In Dwarka, Satyabhama is Radharani. Then Krishna expands as Narayan. Then who becomes Krishna's consort? Lakshmi. Krishna expands as Ramchandra. Who becomes his consort? Sita Devi. So in this way, as Krishna expands, Krishna's pleasure potency also expands. In Vrindavan, which is the topmost region of the spiritual sky, where the Supreme Personality of Godhead enjoys in the most wonderful way, there Radharani expands into unlimited gopis. They're on Radharani's expansion. And through them, there is all these loving exchanges. Love